Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make money with Appen AI for beginners. So in order for you to go to Appen, you just have to go to any web browser and then type, and this is the interface. This is the web page that you will see once you go to Appen. But by the way, so what is this Appen I'm talking about? Appen is a global company that provides data annotation, collection, and AI training services. Its primary function is to help improve machine learning algorithms by gathering and labeling data for various tech companies. Appen connects freelancers with tasks such as data categorization, image labeling, speech transcription, and search engine evaluation. Also, the platform operates on a crowdsourcing model, allowing people from around the world to work remotely. It offers at least two types of work: short term micro tasks, which are quick and easy to complete, and longer term projects that often require a more rigorous application process and specialized skills. You can see more information if you tap the solution platform and other features above. Now let's talk about this high quality AI training data to maximize model performance. So what is this? Why this Appen offers this training? So these AI training experts at Appen play a crucial or important role in developing and improving machine learning models by working on tasks that involve data labeling, annotation, and validation. Their job is to train AI systems by feeding them high quality, annotated data so that these models can make accurate classifications and decisions. In short, these trainings will enhance you to do better or to be better at your specific skill. And if you want to reach out to them, if you want to contact them or try this AI trainings, and then you can simply tap contact us. You just have to scroll down below and you will see this talk to an expert. To get started, you just have to fill in some information like your name, business email, not your email address, job title, last name, company name, reason for inquiry, tell us about your project, and so on. Now, for employees or for those who are looking for a job, then Appen is now connected to CrowdGen. So you will see here the process. Check our openings and apply directly. Follow the email instructions to set up, pass the qualification, and of course, work in your own schedule and earn money. So once you're decided to try this, then all you have to do is to click this earn remotely now. So basically, if you just want to stay at home or you're looking for part-time job, then this one is for you. So CrowdGen, if you are looking for a work here in Appen, so CrowdGen is connected to Appen now. This CrowdGen Appen is a platform or tool associated with Appen, a global leader in AI training and data annotation. So the CrowdGen feature likely refers to the crowdsourcing model that Appen uses to collect, annotate, and validate data through its workforce of freelance workers, often referred as the crowd. So the main purpose of CrowdChat in the app and ecosystem is to quickly and efficiently gather large amounts of data from a global workforce. This data is then used to train AI systems across the industries like voice recognition, image analysis, and search engine refinement. So if you want to submit an application, you just have to submit the following here, such as the CV, enter some important information needed, such as email, phone, current location, current company if there is, links like LinkedIn, if you have Facebook URL, you just have to copy and paste it right here. Application questions like in what country or your location to be exact, in which country are you currently residing, in which US states are currently residing if applicable. Okay, primary language and then additional language relevant to this job, highest education, desired pay rate, and so on. So you can also add some additional information below. For example, it says here area or add a cover letter if you want. Then proceed with this US equal employment opportunity information, gender, gay race, and then veteran status. And then after that, you can now submit this application right here. So all you have to do is to wait, go to your email and check time to time. And that's it for CrowdGen. Now let's go back to Appen. Let's go back to Appen homepage and what are the other benefits and advantages if you go and try this Appen right here. So again and again, Appen supports the AI lifestyle. And to know more about this Appen, so the Appen services or the platform, like what I mentioned earlier, it offers two types of work. Appen services are essential for developing artificial intelligence systems, as companies need vast amounts of labeled data to train their algorithms. For freelancers, it's a way to earn supplemental income with flexible hours. Through the pay and availability of tasks can vary widely. So to start with Appen, you just have to go to Appen and go to the first link here or tap the second link here. Everything is up to you. As long as you can see this Appen. And as you can see, they offer part-time flexible jobs and the types of jobs. The introduction here, you will see the following jobs that they can offer. So if you think that you're good or fit to this job, then you can now proceed. So what we're looking for, they're looking for the specific people. So you can read the information and they will also tell you why you need to choose Appen. So why Appen? It's a bit introduction of their company, how to apply. So there are two ways. Then as you can see how it works, you can tap this how it works right here. You can click that one and it would take you directly to Appen. So this is what I have talked earlier, the introduction, how it works and everything. So once you are familiar with Appen, and then you can now proceed with your application. And it says here is that Appen is now CrowdGen. So Appen Connect is now CrowdGen by Appen. So all you have to do is sign in and then look for the specific job or job that matches your skills or projects that matches your skills or abilities and ways to get paid, the payment method that you can use, and that's it. Now you can start with Appen. So all you have to know is you should know the background of Appen, why you should try Appen. And then once you're okay with it, you can also try their trainings if you want. But once everything is okay, you can now sign up, create an account, and get paid. Look for the projects that matches your skills and start earning. As easy as that. So I hope that this video somehow helped you. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.